to be innovative, you cannot be too conservative. You have to let your imagination free and express yourself with sincerity. My name is Jean-Etienne Parrot. I am designer with Parrot company. The popular product actually is a drone. To use a smartphone to control the drone. The objective of this new product was to use this drone and create the energy to generate the progression of the boat and control the direction. All the design and calculation have been done with SolidWorks, center of gravity, mass, volume, and before to do the proof concept, we have been trying to establish the feasibility of the design.
My name is Karim. I'm lead designer in Parrot. Jean spoke to me about the hydrofoil project. He gave to me the 3D and I put directly in the new software SolidWorks Industrial Conceptual. It was very easy to import the 3D from Jean to Industrial Conceptual. And I create all around his design a complete, beautiful, more sexy and organic shape. The value that Industrial Conceptual can bring, we can save time. A lot of time. It's really incredible. You can do a very quick shape and very complex and organic shape in a few minutes. It's so easy to use it, really. It's like sculpting. It's like working with clay. I'm working everywhere. I'm working in Paris, I'm working in China. We can do it very quickly and simple because we use the cloud. We can create everything. All the lines are possible and all the shape is now possible. And it wasn't possible before and now it's possible. And I think this is the future.